हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी।
अशोक जी अर्ज किया है,
वाह 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 वाह।
अर्ज किया है आपकी छाँव में संगीता की धुन गूंजती रहे,
वाह 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 वाह।
संगीता की धुन गूंजती रहे, आनंद की लहर चलती रहे,
वाह 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 वाह।
आनंद की लहर चलती रहे, अश्विन की झलक झलकती रहे।
वाह 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 वाह। टू 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 टू। आपकी मुस्कुराहटों पे हम फिदा, हसीन मौकों पे मिले हम बार बार, आपके लिए हमारे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Ashok uncle, happy birthday to you, love you।
मेरी ओर से शुभकामनाएं, प्यार भरा शुभ आशीर्वाद आप दोनों को। पहले हम कावेरी रोड में भाई से मिलने आती थी ना, तो आपको अशोक के रूप में देखते थे, हम बातें करते मिलते थे। अभी तो फिर कंवर साहब के रूप में आपको मिल रहे हैं, अभी तो बोंदिया के कंवर साहब बन गए हैं आप। अब क्या करें, यदि अभी भांजा तो नहीं बोल सकती हूँ, कंवर साहब ही बोलना पड़ता है ना, बेटी दी है इसलिए। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, हैप्पी 60th बर्थडे, खुश हो सुखी रहो।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Ashok ji. We wish you a very happy 60th birthday. It's a very big milestone in your life. 60th birthday is a very important occasion in your life, Ashok ji. You are a very dedicated, hard-working and have passion towards your job. You have been working very hard, and the hard working will definitely pay you. It may take time, but you will get results. We wish you all the best, and we wish you all your dreams come true, and thank you, all the best.
Ashok ji, I wish you a happy birthday, and you are always a very good supporter to my family, and see that all your dreams come true, and we see you always smiling, and wish you all the best in your life. Thank you.
Jai Jinendra Ashok ji, happy birthday to you and many more to come. It's been a long journey since we know you, and I always admired you. You're a very stylish person, and you're also taken very good care of Aarti. You've been a dad to her, and hats off to you for taking care of her. And you have been a very, very good person, always taking care of children, taking them to Tirupati, taking them to good restaurants, and you're a really amazing person in all angles, in your shairis, in doing your puja, samai, everything. You've got all the good qualities, and my sister is very lucky to have you, and we are also very lucky to have you as a person. I have seen you even during Aarti's wedding, how much you have supported us. I cannot forget all those good days, and I wish you all the best and a very, very happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day and wish you all the best and success in life. All your dreams should come true. God bless you. Jai Jinendra Ashok ji, happy birthday to you and many more to come. I wish I would have been there in the your 60th birthday celebration. And you've always been a very social connected person with our family, and you've always been beside us before and after Aarti's wedding also. And in many ways I admire you. You're a very stylish person, and I can only tell
My sister is lucky.
my sister is very lucky to have you as her life partner. And from those days I always
Hey, Ashok ji, I'm continuing from where she left off. नादान को उल्टा पड़ा तो नादान ही रहा, ये आपकी शायरी थी. आप बहुत सारे शायरी लिखते हैं, बहुत अच्छे लिखते हैं और अच्छे बोलते भी हैं. वो आपके फादर से आया है, हेरिडिटरी हो गया आपके लाइफ में. इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. You have been a very interesting person as far as I am concerned, and I don't forget the day you had upma without chutney in Rich Hotel for your anniversary. You always loved Nilgiris. You always loved my home. You loved my daughter and my granddaughter. You are a part deeply involved with my family, and we are deeply engrossed and involved with your family. It will go on. ये सिलसिला जारी रहेगा और मज़ा आता है. हम बहुत खुश हैं कि आप का जन्मदिन सेलिब्रेट हो रहा है आज, और हम सोचते हैं कि कई जन्मदिन आपके आते रहे और हम विटनेस करते रहेंगे, इसलिए हम मरेंगे नहीं.
one minute.
Okay. Hello, Ashok ji. Happy birthday to you. Your shairis are never to be forgotten, evergreen. They have a lot of substance, lot of fun, lot of meaning. नादान को उल्टा भी पड़ा तो वो नादान ही रहा. अब क्या बोले, उससे ज़्यादा क्या बोले. पूरा आपके वो महक है, आपके डैडी से आया हुआ है ये सब बातें, मुझे पता है. इट्स ऑल्सो लिटिल हेरिडिटरी, बट यू कल्टिवेटेड अ लॉट ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट.
Hey Jinendra, everybody. Kamal Saab, your 60th birthday. We are all sending beautiful, sweet wishes on your lovely birthday today. A milestone reached, another on its way. A lovely, charming person, full of care and concern for each one in the family. I'm sure your members appreciate what all you have done, as we also do. May you have a wonderful one. Enjoy your day. It's completely yours. Just stay the way you are. Be a happy person and always show your concern and care for each one of us. I'm sure a lot of birthday wishes are pouring in. We also join you from our hearts, and my blessings to you for a wonderful future and a lovely party, a birthday party today for yourself.
अशोक जी, प्यार भरी जिंदगी मिले आपको,
खुशियों से भरे पल मिले आपको, और ऐसा आने वाला कल मिले आपको. विश यू हैप्पी 60th
बर्थडे. ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ब्लेस.
Many, many happy returns of the day, Ashok uncle. And a happy 60th birthday to you. Lots of love and happiness to you.
Beautiful 60 years you have lived, and you have made us live through your beautiful words, gestures and kindest words. You've been a great support to many people, and you had a lot of patience to explain us and guide us. Wishing you great 60th birthday and all the best, uncle. Take care.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday once again.
birthday.
Hi, Ishu uncle. Wishing you a very, very happy 60th birthday, uncle. It's been 60 years. May God bless. I would like to tell you, I have missed all the holidays which you used to take me, and I still miss them. Let's keep going. Let's not stop. I know you always ask me to come. Whatever it is, you'll always call me first. I really hope you have the best years of your life ahead. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Miss you for all those trips to Tirupati, to Shirdi, to everywhere, to resorts, to hotels. We've gone so many times with Raj Gopal. Thank you so much, uncle, for everything, whatever you've done. Thank you so much and very, very happy birthday.
खुशकिस्मत होती है वो बहनें जिनके सिर पे भाई का हाथ होता है, चाह कर भी कोई उन्हें अलग ना कर सके, ऐसा उनका प्यार होता है। मम्मी पापा से भी ज़्यादा मुझे डांटने वाले, मेरी क्लास लेने वाले, फिर भी उससे भी ज़्यादा मुझे प्यार और दुलार करने वाले, ऐसे मेरे भैया को जन्मदिन की खूब खूब बधाई हो। हैप्पी 60th बर्थडे अन्ना।
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Anna. Have a great day ahead.
Happy birthday, Mama. I hope you have a great year ahead and may God bless you with good health.
Birthday, Uncle. Wishing you many, many happy returns of the day. To a very classy, a great host and an amazing person. Wishing all your dreams come true. Uncle, I have a lot of fond memories of our childhood. You've taken us out for so many multiple trips and you've been a great support to the family. I wish all your dreams come true.
I add with this that even I have spent lot of time with you with lot of fond memories and many trips. So above all, you're a wonderful person. Happy birthday once again.
Hi Venusa. You have been a mentor to me right from your father-in-law's day. And it's my jewelry store is because of you, who had given me the initiative to start the jewelry and all the support I needed that time. Now you're touching 60. See, they say there's a big old proverb saying, they say men are naughty at 40. Now you're touching 60, so you're going to be double super naughty, Venusa. So wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Venusa. 60th birthday, Venusa. Very happy 60th birthday, Venusa. May all your dreams come true this year and all your the problems what you're going to have in mind, everything gets solved in this year.
Ashu uncle, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Wish you everything more. And I think the biggest memory for me, Ashu uncle, has always been the Tirupati trips. So many trips. Thank you so much for all those trips. And I think the last one was awesome, especially with Luca, myself, and deep climbing the mountain at 4 a.m. I think I still remember them. Thank you for all those trips and happy birthday.
Hi uncle, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Hope you have a very, very nice day and year ahead. Hopefully with everything going on around the situation, you still manage to have a very, very nice birthday, and hopefully by next year all of it is gone away so you can celebrate in a much, much better manner. Have a nice day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Choti Nana. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 60th birthday, Uncle. Dia has a little surprise for you.
Thank you for giving me the horse ride when I was 3 years old, and thank you for showing me the horses and cows.
Yeah, and thank you so much for always being there, supporting us, supporting me and Aarti, pre-wedding, post-wedding, during wedding, being supportive through and through all these years. You know, whenever we call you, it's always fun, nice talk to you, and you're always there to support us. So thank you for all of that.
Uncle, thank you for being like a dad for me through all these years. From the time I lived in Benson Town, before that, like going to Murdeshwar, I think all of my summer holidays or winter holidays have been with the entire Bangalore family, particularly meeting us, taking us, showing us and giving us different experiences. So right from eating ice cream, to going to Sai Baba Mandir, Murdeshwar, to our wonderful Calcutta, all of those trips were just nothing but beautiful. My very last trip I was in 2018, Tiratyatra in Gujarat and in Rajasthan. Very, very wonderful. Monkeys to experience that and show us like what our family trips are like and what their mama grew up knowing as trips and holidays. Thank you so much for bringing the whole family together at all times, and wish you very, very many.
Hi Ashok uncle, wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday. I want to wish you 60 more years of happiness and love and prosperity. And when I think about the good times with you, and I think about is my whole childhood actually, is growing up, was all the summer trips that were planned by you, or it was the dinners on Sunday evenings that we always looked forward to when we were growing up, and everything was actually planned by you. And I don't think there was even a trip that we individual as a family ever took. It was always a group trip, which made it so much more fun. And I hope we continue that tradition when we come back, that we continue to do more and more of those trips, so that way we can carry on the memories we have of each other. I wish you a very, very happy 60th birthday, uncle.
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, uncle. Many, many, many more years to come. I hope you have a great year ahead. Bye.
A birthday is a 365 days journey around the sun. Wishing a very happy 60th, fabulous and fantastic birthday to you, Ashok sir. Have a splendid one with loads and loads of love, blessings, fame and fortune. Thank you, and I also convey my wishes for you on this very special day from Bhavya and Manoj. Thank you very much. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay safe.
Congratulations, my dear friend Ashok, on your 60th birthday. They say that age is strictly a case of mind over matter. If you do not mind, it does not matter. However, this birthday is a major milestone and is commemorated with great gusto and extravagance. This being your 60th birthday, are you aware that I know you from the last 30 years? Know you from the second half, and the first half, that is pre-30th birthday, being mysterious. Maybe that would have been more interesting to know and spice for the family. Maybe I'm saved by the embarrassment of your spicy life. Well, it is just a joke. Ashok, you have been a very good friend along with your co-brother Hemraj. And it's a different matter that he has vanished from last over a decade and a half. I wish I could see him more often. I have always been impressed by your simplicity, your concern for the elders, leading a simple spiritual life. Many days spent in fasting. You have been a family man, and with your charming wife, have brought up your children very well and have already started bringing laurels to the family. Your love to your great mother was legendary, and your outreach to your brothers is very impressive. My congratulations to your sons for taking care to celebrate this momentous occasion of your 60th birthday. Wishing you a fabulous day.
Hey Ashok, wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Life ke milestones are to be celebrated and not counted. So hope you're celebrating and enjoying yourself with your family. So have a good one, stay healthy and safe. Alright, take care. Bye-bye.
Hello, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ashok uncle.
Happy birthday, Ashok
uncle. Many happy returns of your big day.
Wishing you all the prosperity, good health, wealth, peace in the next several decades coming up. Have a fabulous birthday, Ashok.
Have a good day, Ashok Uncle. I hope you're safe throughout the pandemic that's going on now. And I hope after COVID-19 get better, and have a good day, Ashok Uncle.
Happy birthday, Ashok. Have a wonderful day, and welcome to the 60 years club.
நான் என்னுடைய அண்ணனை பற்றி ஒரு சில வார்த்தைகள் சொல்ல விரும்புகிறேன். First of all, wish you many more happy returns of the day. நான் ஒரு கிளேவாக இருந்தேன். என்னை ஒரு உருவமாக ஆக்கினார். ஒரு ஸ்டேப் கொடுத்து ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரெச்சராக என்னை உருவாக்கினார். நான் இந்த நன்றியை என்னைக்கும் மறக்க மாட்டேன். அவருக்கு ரியலி நான் சொல்கிறேன், அவர் மனசு ரொம்ப குழந்தை மாதிரியான மனசு, ரொம்ப நல்ல மனசு. அவர் யாருன்னா பசின்னு வந்துட்டாக்க ஆஃபீஸ்கிட்ட அவர் ஃபஸ்ட்டு எல்லாருக்கும் சாப்பாடு வாங்கி கொடுப்பாரு. என்ன விதமான ஹெல்ப் வேணாலும் அவர் செய்வார். அவர் மாதிரி நல்ல மனுஷன் நான் என் லைஃப்பில் நான் பார்க்கல. நான் 34 வருஷமாக அவர் கூட நான் இருக்கிறேன். அவருடைய மனசு நிஜமாக சொல்கிறேன் யாருக்கும் வராது. இது என்னுடைய உள் மனசுலேருந்து சொல்கிறேன். அவர் இன்னும் 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 ரொம்ப வருஷம் வாழணும். அவரும் ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கணும், எங்களையும் ஹாப்பியாக வச்சுக்கணும். வணக்கம். தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச்.
Happy birthday, Uncle. 60th. I don't know how to put you in that number. I don't know anybody younger than you. Happy birthday. And you're such an inspiration. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle. I hope you have the most amazing day and a superb year ahead of you. 60 is a very important landmark, and I hope when you're looking at it, you realize how many achievements you've had and all the wonderful memories and experiences you've had along the way, and what a brilliant foundation you have set for both Anand and Ashwin, and all the hats that you've adorned. You've done them all so well. Have a wonderful next chapter, whatever is coming up next, and have a beautiful day, Uncle. Have a great time. Bye. Take care. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Uncle. Happy birthday. Hope you have a fabulous year ahead. Happy 60, and I hope you have many more years of happiness, good health, and good wealth. All the best, Uncle. Hope to see you very soon. Lots of love to the family.
Hi Uncle, this is Megha coming to you from a kind of rainy Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Uncle, I wanted to take a minute to wish you a very happy 60th birthday. Uncle, every time, and it's been such a long time since we've met, but every time I think of you, I remember all the warmth and welcome that I receive every time we cross paths, and mostly I'm at your home. And with that, I want to take this chance to wish you a very warm start to your 60th birthday. And what a better way to welcome the 60th than with your favorite crew, of course, Anand, Ashwin, Auntie, and your extended family right by your side. Uncle, I memorized this especially for you. Happy Shashti Abdi Purti, and Janam Gant Ribadai Khoob Jio. Have a wonderful day, Uncle.
Hello, Uncle. Wish you a very happy birthday. Have a great day and a fabulous year ahead. Wish you all the happiness and a very good health. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy 60th birthday, Uncle. Hope you have a fantastic day and an awesome year ahead. God bless. And I can't believe you're already 60. Take care, Uncle. And I'm sure you're looking younger than all of us right now. But all the best and happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, dear Uncle. Happy birthday to you.
ना वो बिना लाइट ही अच्छा है फोटो। हाँ बस।
Very say may God bless you. God bless you. May God bless you. Don't. No.